Ever wonder why some businesses explode on social media while others struggle to gain any traction? It's not magic or luck, it's strategy. Today we'll delve into the secrets of those successful businesses and uncover the strategies they use to build a robust presence on social media. Starting off, it's crucial to know thy platform. Each social media platform has its unique language and culture. Instagram loves visuals, Twitter thrives on wit and brevity, LinkedIn values professionalism. Understanding the nuances of each platform will help tailor your content to resonate with its users. Next, define your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? When are they most active on social media? The answers to these questions will guide your content creation and posting schedule. Thirdly, focus on delivering value. People flock to businesses that provide solutions to their problems, offer useful information, or simply brighten their day. Strive to make your content informative, helpful, or entertaining. Remember, a single post can turn a casual viewer into a loyal follower. Fourthly, engage with your audience. Social media is not a one-way street. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your followers. This interaction builds a community around your brand and fosters a sense of connection and loyalty. Fifthly, consistency is key. Regularly posting quality content keeps your brand in your audience's minds and feeds the algorithms that decide what content to showcase. Finally, embrace the power of analytics. Social media platforms provide valuable data about post performance, audience behavior, and engagement levels. Use this information to refine your strategy, improve your content, and grow your audience. To recap, successful social media growth strategies involve understanding your platform, defining your target audience, delivering value, engaging with your audience, consistently posting quality content, and harnessing the power of analytics. Implement these strategies and watch your business flourish on social media. Remember, it's not about chasing trends or going viral. It's about building meaningful relationships with your audience, providing value, and consistently showing up. In the world of social media, these are the building blocks to success. So go forth, apply these strategies, and transform your social media presence from struggling to thriving. Remember, the journey of 1,000 followers begins with a single well-crafted post.